Welcome to John Cephas coaching classes. Children, today I'll be teaching you how to show root 2 on a number line. This is of standard 8th maths chapter 1 practice set 1.4. So let us begin with how to show root 2 on a number line. Okay, take your scale. Draw a line of any measurement. Mark any point O. Now let us take the scale. Take 3 centimeter here. Okay, I'm just taking 3 centimeter. Mark here A. Consider this as 1 unit. I've taken 3 centimeter and considered it as 1 unit. You can take 4 centimeter also, not an issue. After that, take your protractor. Let the center point coincide and you need 90 degree. Take plotted 90 degree. After plotting 90 degree, join this point and this point. Okay, keep at A. Take the measurement of OA, that is a 3 centimeter. Mark here. You need to mark on this line. Okay, name this as B. Now let me join these 2 points O and B. After joining, take your compass, keep at O, extend till B, draw an arc. This is how you get a point here that denotes your square root 2. Okay, this AB denotes your 1 unit. Let this be point P. This BP denotes your root 2. Okay, and this also you can say as square root 2. This is how you draw root 2 on a number line. Okay, take your scale. Draw a line. Mark a point O. Take 3 centimeter again. Let the points coincide. Mark 90 degree. Join these 2 points. Take your compass. Take this much measurement. Mark it here. Name it as A. This one as B. Join these 2 points. This is your 1 unit. This is your 1 unit. Take your compass. Extend till point B. Draw an arc. This is where you are getting root 2. Again take your protractor. Place it at this point where you got root 2 just now. Let this point and root 2 coincide. Again mark 90 degree. Join this. Take your compass. The same measurement OA. Keep it here. Mark it. Okay. Again this is 1 unit. Join this new point and O. Plot this as C. Take your compass. extend till C. From O, draw an arc. This is how you got root 3. Okay. Let us see how to draw root 5 on a number line. Okay. Draw a line. Plot a point O. Take two markings at 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay. This I am naming it as A and B. Okay. Now this denotes your 1 unit and this denotes your 2 unit. After this, you take your protractor, place it at B. This point should coincide at B. Mark 90 degree. Join this. Take only 1 unit. I will take this AB, or you can take OA also, no problem. From B I am doing a marking. Okay, this is your 1 unit. Now this point you can take it as C. I am joining this point and this point. Joining O and C. After joining, take your compass, extend till C. Just draw an arc. This is how you get root 5 on a number line. This is your root 5. This is also root 5. Okay. This is what square root of 4. Square root of 4 gives you 2. That's why at 2 if you plot directly and when you draw an arc, you will be getting root 5. Through root 5, the arc which you will be drawing, you will get root 6, and through root 6 where you are drawing, that will give you root 7. Okay. Let me continue after this for root 7. At square root 5, keep your protractor, take 90 degree. Draw a ray. Same measurement. I can take this much measurement also. Same measurement I will take. This is again 1 unit. Join this. Take this as D. This OD. This will be your root 6. Take your protractor. Keep at root 6. Join this. Take your compass. Take this much measurement. Mark it here. Join this and this point. Let this be E. Again this is 1 unit. Take your compass, extend till here. This is your root 7. Through 2 which you are drawing, that will become your root 5 because this is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So here you will be getting root 5. Through root 5, draw a perpendicular. Then take 1 unit. Join with O, OD. Through there, if you are drawing arc, you will be getting root 6. And through root 6, whatever you are drawing, you will be getting root 7.